With time, the internet and people have come a long way, and it's been years that we have entered a digital landscape. Most businesses, no matter how big or small, are making their way into the online world. But the question is why? Well, if we start listing, there are countless reasons. But let us drag your attention to the key features. Growing your business online is the best way you can offer your services globally and increase your brand awareness as well. The best part about growing your business online is that it is both cost efficient and easy. But this is only possible when you have the right strategies in place. Have you figured out the ways to grow your online business yet? If not, hang in there, because we have got you some exclusive and effective tips that can boost the growth of your business by promoting it on the internet. So the first thing that you need to do is to submit and optimize your online business on the search engines. By doing this, you'll ensure that your business must show up in the search results whenever a search related to your targeted keywords is made. So what's next? Well, content marketing can help you out in attaining your audience attention because 78% of consumers prefer getting to know a company via an article or blog. Promote your business on the top social media networks like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. You can also use Facebook and Google advertisements. Use free email marketing tools for the promotion of your online business platform. So have you heard about the 80-20 rule? Well, let us tell you that the 80-20 rule basically states that 80% of your results can be derived by 20% of your efforts. If you want your business to grow online, applying this rule can be really beneficial. Sell to the existing customers as it is affordable and convenient compared to finding new customers. When we say marketing, we must include every activity that can increase your customer base. What we are trying to say here is that you must sell your products and services to even those customers who have the slightest chance of buying it.